So KG, we're still in January 2022 and we're working through our goals. So why should we consider investing in real estate, right? You talked about if that's one of my goals, yeah, but why should I consider investing in real estate? We're not talked about that in a minute. Hey there, this is KG. I'm a realtor with Fairfax Realty in Greenbelt, where we help buyers to buy their dream home, sellers to sell their houses, and investors to invest in real estate. So listen, if you're looking to buy, sell, move, or invest in real estate, contact us below. We'll take care of it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get updates once we upload a new video. So why should you consider investing in real estate? I'm going to give you 5 reasons why you should consider investing in real estate. So before I give you those 5 reasons, some people, the only real estate they will buy is their primary residence, the house they live in, and that's okay, which is actually very good. So before you even consider investing in real estate, make sure you already own your primary residence and you're living in it, right? That's the first thing you want to do. Secondly, with every investment, know your risk tolerance, right? Know your risk tolerance. Also, with every investment, diversification is key. While real estate is one way to invest, that is not the only way, right? Even I also invest in stock market. So it's not just real estate. You don't put all your eggs in one basket. As you are investing in stock market, consider real estate. So like I said, if the only investment you will do in real estate is your primary residence, that's okay. There's nothing wrong in it, which is what most people will ever do. So 5 reasons why you should consider investing in real estate. The first one is, when you buy a house, it's a tangible asset that you can touch, right? A townhouse, single family house, condo, or duplex is a tangible asset that you can touch. So you get to live in it, enjoy it, while it's still an investment, right? Or you can actually rent part of it out to generate more income. A lot of millennials do this. They do what we call house hacking. And you can only do this when you have your own primary residence. Or some people do Airbnb in their primary residence. I have a client that did Airbnb. Part of their house is Airbnb, and that money they generate from the Airbnb is paying their mortgage. So it's a tangible asset that you can touch. First thing. Second reason why you should consider investing in real estate is, over time your investment appreciates. Yes, if you have watched the market in the last few years, you know it's a skyrocket appreciation. That is not always the case. It goes slowly, but over time it appreciates. And then even more when you upgrade. If you upgrade your kitchen, your bathroom, it also appreciates the property. If you have just stock, you can't do anything to appreciate your stock, right? Or your bonds or your index fund. You can't do anything to appreciate it. But with real estate, you can do things to appreciate, to make your investment go higher. Third reason why you should consider investing in real estate as a tax advantage. So you get to deduct your property taxes, the interest that you're paying on your mortgage from your tax, thereby reducing your tax liability. You can do that if you're a renter. So over time, the taxes that you pay, your personal income tax, will be reduced because you're owning a property that you're living in, right? And enjoying. And even more, if you actually have a rental property, all the expenses on that rental property you get to deduct is reducing your tax liability. Plus, you get to depreciate the property, reducing your tax liability. That's the third reason, right? The fourth reason is, as your equity grow, you really can do a lot of things with your equity in your house, right? You can take your equity out to buy a rental property if that's what you want to do. You can take your equity out to upgrade the house, thereby increasing the value. But you know me, I don't like people taking out equity to pay credit card debt. I don't like that. I really don't like that. But if you take your equity out and then able to invest it, that is a good reason. The final reason that you should consider investing in real estate is it can be part of your overall retirement plan, right? Because when you buy a house, you live in it for a few years, or how many years you live in it. When you're ready to retire and downsize, you can actually sell the house and buy cash, and you don't have any mortgage. Yeah, if you plan it right. So part of your overall retirement plan, retirement strategy, real estate may be one of them. So consider investing in real estate. Those are the 5 reasons. And don't forget, with every investment, there's risk. Weigh your risk, weigh your risk tolerance, and also understand it's a long-term. Real estate is a long-term investment. It's not overnight investment. It's a long-term investment. So consider those things to invest in real estate. By first of all, investing in your primary residence if you don't have that yet. All right, so if you're looking to buy, sell, move, invest in real estate in this market, in the DMV area, contact us below. We'll take care of you. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get updates once we upload a new video. Ciao.